So moving on to Cardano ADA. So Cardano is an open source blockchain platform that aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins of individuals to help create a more secure, transparent, and fair society through a financial system that focuses on sustainability. Now, all that information, particularly that description and quote, is found on Cardano's main website, which we can find here, which is Cardano Home. If you click on that link, you'll be brought to the Cardano main page where you'll see testimonials and essentially project outlines for the development team and from the Cardano Foundation. So the market cap of Cardano 3 months ago was about $95.5 billion. As of right now, the market cap is $52.94 billion. So this is an interesting situation where we see over time, market caps do not always go up, especially in conjunction with Ethereum and conjunction with Bitcoin. So while Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen increases over the past 3 months in terms of market cap, Cardano has not. Cardano has actually stalled and particularly has fallen a bit to $52.94 for the time being. Now, while no projects are perfect and all blockchain projects are constantly in development, it will be interesting to see how Cardano continues to perform, and particularly Cardano's market capitalization going into the future. Looking at volume metrics, there is about $1.5 billion of Cardano transacted, bought or sold on a 24-hour basis. The circulating supply of Cardano is about 33 billion Cardano, 33.3 billion Cardano. And the maximum supply of Cardano is 45 billion Cardano. We also see the total supply. The total supply available at this time is 33.7 billion Cardano. Now, because of Cardano's fixed supply or maximum supply of 45 billion Cardano to ever be created, we could say that Cardano is a limited supply token. It's not unlimited compared to Ethereum. Ethereum is an unlimited supply token. Cardano being a limited supply token, we could think of it more along the lines of how Bitcoin manages their supply schedule and how they plan to release new coins. Now, Cardano's consensus model, consensus being how it adds transactions to the blockchain, it is a proof of stake model, meaning that instead of crypto mining for new coins and to process transactions, users actually stake their coins in a staking pool. For more information on staking, be sure to check out our lesson on staking, particularly focusing on staking protocols, and proof of stake. Now, the associated projects, Ethereum, is actually seen as one of the main competitors to the Ethereum platform. And alongside with that, the main figurehead, the CEO of the Cardano Foundation, was actually a previous founder of Cardano as well. Cardano was actually released and officially launched in 2017, so it's a little bit newer compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin, relatively speaking. Now, the founding members of Cardano is Charles Hoskinson. This is essentially one of the co-founders of the Ethereum project. After founding Ethereum, Mr. Hoskinson left Ethereum and went on to fulfill his own vision of how to create and operate a blockchain network. We also see Cardano's white paper. This can be found at whitepaper.io. The link is posted there, so be sure to read that. And we can also find Cardano's update schedule or Cardano's roadmap on the Cardano website, and we have the link at the bottom as well. So Cardano has organized their update schedule into 5 distinct phases: Byron, Shelley, Guggen, Basho, and Voltaire. Now, if these names sound familiar, I believe they're all some sort of Renaissance artists or Renaissance creators or innovators at that particular time. So Cardano has found inspiration from those famed creators, those famed artists, and have used them in their own update schedule. Now, currently, Cardano is in the Guggen phase, which is phase 3, which should see the implementation of smart contract capabilities soon. Now, Cardano has implemented their smart contract capabilities at the time of video recording, but as of right now, there's not a lot of applications currently being created, and that is one of the main criticisms and possibly one of the reasons why the market cap is lower. Now, over time, as more projects, more decentralized applications, more protocols are added and being developed on Cardano, we could theoretically see an increase in the market capitalization as there's more of a reason to invest in the project. So taking a look at Cardano's price history. So all-time price history, Cardano was released in 2017. It was worth very little, 2 cents at the time of release, and managed to spike to a little bit over $1 per Cardano, per ADA. Now, over time, following that, we see a rather severe drop back to its almost near its launch price levels of just a few cents per Cardano. And we see a very rather distinct and noticeable spike and increase in 2020 and also in 2021, where Cardano reached an all-time of just under $3. Now, coinciding with that, we also see Cardano's market cap. Cardano's market cap matches the similar price pattern and flow, looking at its all-time record and all-time price movement and market cap movement and growth. Focusing in a bit on Cardano's monthly performance. So Cardano started the month at about $1.95 per ADA per coin. We saw a bit of an increase to a little bit over $2.30 per ADA token, ADA coin, and then a gradual fall to lows of just under $1.60. Now, this price action is matched with Cardano's market cap. So essentially, this measurement, this analysis of the amount of money invested in Cardano has slowly fallen and has seemed to stabilize for the time being. Taking a look at Cardano's white paper. So the project behind the development of Cardano is called Input Output, or IOHK. And here is essentially their project outline and their project statement. This is written by Charles Hoskinson. This is the CEO of the Cardano Foundation and really the lead figurehead of Cardano. They talk about their motivation. Cardano is a project that began in 2015 as an effort to change the way cryptocurrencies are designed and developed. The overall focus beyond a particular set of innovations is to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem that better accounts for the needs of its users as well as other systems seeking integration. Taking a look at some other parts, that very early back in 2017, they were already discussing their proof of stake consensus model, moving away from mining, moving away from proof of work. They even state that using proof of stake for a cryptocurrency is a hotly debated design choice. Now, this was considered very debatable, particularly in 2017, but in 2021, 2020, we see that using a proof of stake model is not so far-fetched, and even Ethereum is in the plans or in process of converting to this consensus mechanism.